Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home and also busy in your studies. Students, good morning. Myself Rajput Pratima and today I am going to explain grammar and the topic is classes and its kinds. For standard 8, 9 and 10. A class is a word group which contains subject and a finite verb. Verb showing, verb क्या शो करता है? Tense, person and number. He goes, she went, for example, and forms part of a sentence. क्लास वो वर्ड ग्रुप है जिसमें सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब आता है और ये हमें सेंटेंस के पार्ट शो करते हैं. लुक एट दीज क्लासेस. देखिए, रमन सेड दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड. रमन क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट एंड फिनिट वर्ब is that he was tired. Second example is I was there when it happened. And the answer is I was there when it happened. Classes can be divided into two classes, main class and subordinate classes. A main class can stand by itself a complete sentence. Subordinate class cannot. Above classes numbered A are main classes and while those numbered B are subordinate classes. Now kinds of classes. There are three kinds of subordinate classes: noun class, adjective class and adverb class. First number is a noun class. Does the work of noun. Noun class noun का काम करती है. And then a noun class does the work of a noun. It can be subject of a verb. For example, what he said was interesting. Subject of was. That she will arrive today is certain. How she can manage it not clear. Okay. Now object of a verb. For example, she said that she would not come. And the object of ask. I know where he lived. Object of verb, for example, there is no truth in what he has said. In. Sorry. Object of verb, example क्या है? She said that she would not come. She said that she would not come. Object is said. Object of verb. I asked why he was late. So asked. I know where he lives. Object no. Now object of a preposition. Preposition. Examples. There is no truth in what he has said. In. Everything now depends on who is in control. Object है on. She laughed at what I had done. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट है at. Has devised us. Complement of is. Verb. The truth is that he has deceived us. Is. My belief is that she won't come. Complement है is. Now the news was that the boy was drawn. Complement was was. Now in opposition of a noun or pronoun, the fact that you are lazy is known to everyone. Opposition is fact. Their part that he was killed in untrue. In opposition, the report. It isn't clear who has done this. It. In opposition to a noun or pronoun, the fact that you are lazy is known to everyone. In opposition of the fact their part was that he was killed in untrue. Now it isn't clear who has done this. Opposition is it. And then if we look closely at the examples above, we can see that the noun class can be replaced by a noun or a pronoun. Noun class को noun या pronoun से replace कर सकते हैं. When in doubt about how a class functions, see what you can see in its place. For example, we might have instead of the first 6 sentences above. Okay? His story was interesting. What he said. Her arrival is certain that she will arrive today. She wouldn't come. I asked a question why he was late. I know his address where he lives. Okay? So it is, these sentences are instead of this sentence. Okay? Now all the words of group of words used in place of classes or noun like, so they are noun classes. In short, if a class can be replaced by it or that, it is usually a noun class. Now adjective class. An adjective class, like an adjective, describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective class is introduced by a relative pronoun, who, whom, which, that, or relative adverbs. Where, when, why. The class usually follows the noun it qualifies. For example, what is the name of the girl who danced last night? Qualifies girl. Here is the book which you want, qualifies book. Here is my nephew, qualifies boy. And the film that I told you about it on then, Anand, qualifies film. And the man whom I was traveling with could speak French, qualifies the man. Adverb class. An adverb class, like an adverb, tells more about or modifies a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Example, the meeting began before I arrived. Modifies began, that is tells when the meeting began. She is prettier than I thought. She is prettier than I thought modifies prettier, that is, tells how pretty she is. He speaks so fast that you can't understand a word, modifies fast, that is, tells how fast he speaks. Okay? That a subordinate class modifies or qualifies that the word in another class. Okay? So students, learn and write these rules of classes and its kinds in your grammar notebook. Okay? Goodbye students, have a good day.